गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम एमएससी फाइनल ईयर का फोर्थ पेपर में टॉपिक है जीन ट्रांसफ़र टेक्निक के बारे में बात करेंगे। जैसे हमें कोई भी डिज़ायर्ड जीन चाहिए होता है, उन्नत किस्म का कोई जीन है, उसे हमें एनिमल में या प्लांट में ट्रांसफ़र करना है और हमें हाई क्वालिटी के प्लांट एनिमल चाहिए। तो ये जीन जो है आइडेंटिफाई करने के बाद में जीवों में कैसे ट्रांसफ़र किया जाता है, यही टेक्निक हमें यहाँ पर समझनी है। तो पहले हम बात कर लेते हैं कि वास्तव में जीन ट्रांसफ़र टेक्निक कहाँ पर यूज़ होती है और क्या होती है। तो जो भी बेसिक रिसर्च होती है और अप्लाइड बायोलॉजी वाला फील्ड होता है, वहाँ पर जीन ट्रांसफ़र टेक्निक का उपयोग किया जाता है। तो फर्स्ट हम इंट्रोडक्शन में यही बात करेंगे। जीन ट्रांसफ़र टेक्निक इज यूज्ड वेरी वाइडली both in basic research and applied biology. The delivery of gene into animal cells is a functional and established procedure। यानी कि जीन को एनिमल में ट्रांसफ़र करने के लिए जो प्रोसीजर होता है, यह है वेल इस्टेब्लिश्ड और फंडामेंटल प्रोसीजर है। इट हैज़ बिकम एन indispensable tool for gene cloning, the study of gene function and regulation, and the production of a small amount of recombinant protein for analysis and verification. Gene transfer experiments help to the express the introduced gene construct or transgene in the recipient cell, or to disrupt or inactive particular endogenous gene resulting in loss of function. There are many applications of gene transfer, like large scale commercial production of recombinant antibodies and vaccines, and gene medicine or gene therapy. They range from the use of mammalian and insect cell culture to transfer of DNA into human patients for the correction और प्रिवेंशन ऑफ डिजीज़। जो ह्यूमन बीइंग होते हैं, उनमें कोई भी जो डिज़ीज़ हो जाती है, उनको रोकने के लिए, और जो डिज़ीज़ होने वाली होती है उसको रोकने के साथ साथ उसको सही करने के लिए भी जीन ट्रांसफ़र टेक्निक का यूज़ किया जाता है। और जीन ट्रांसफ़र टेक्निक का यूज़ वाइड रेंज में होता है, मैमेलियंस में और इंसेक्ट कल्चर में भी होता है। In the organism or genetically modified whole animals created by gene transfer, every cell or a specific target population of cell carries a particular alteration. Such animals are used to study gene function and expression. Model human disease produce recombinant protein in their milk and other fluid, and to improve the quality of livestock herds and other domestic species। जैसे मिल्क प्रोडक्शन वाले जो एनिमल्स होते हैं, उनमें क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, और जो पालतू जानवर होते हैं उनमें भी क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव करने के लिए जीन का ट्रांसफ़र किया जाता है, रिकॉम्बिनेंट प्रोटीन को इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता है। The technology has contributed to understand the function of the many genes discovered in the Genome Project, functional genomics. Example of such experiments include systematic DNA mediated mutagenesis and gene trap program in the mouse and in the fruit fly, that is Drosophila melanogaster. Genome-wide RNA interference experiment in the nematode Caenorhabditis elegans, and novel protein interaction screen based on the yeast. Two hybrid systems but performed using mammalian cells. Genetic engineering of food is the science which involves deliberate modification of the genetic material of plants or animals. Introduction of DNA into plants is of great agriculture potential and medical importance. The gene transfer results can be transient and stable transfection. Next, gene therapy can be defined as the deliberate transfer of DNA from therapeutic purpose. Gene transfer is one of the key factors in gene therapy and it is one of the key purpose of the clone. Gene transfer can be targeted to somatic body or germs, eggs or sperm cells. In somatic gene transfer, the recipient genome is changed, but the change will not be passed on to the next generation. In germline gene transfer, the parent's egg and sperms are changed with the goal of passing on the changes to their offspring. हिस्ट्री जीन ट्रांसफ़र किस प्रकार स्टार्ट हुआ, कब इसका इन्वेंशन हुआ, यही बात करते हैं. द कंसेप्ट ऑफ जीन ट्रांसफ़र बिटवीन सेल was first demonstrated in bacteria, which are capable of at least 4 natural forms of genetic exchange. The first mechanism was discovered in 1928 by Frederick Griffith, named as transformation in Bacterium Streptococcus pneumoniae. However, he was unable to determine the nature of the transforming principle. In 1944, Oswald Avery established that the substance transferred between cells was DNA. A second form of gene transfer was named conjugation, discovered by Joshua Lederberg and Edward Tatum in 1946 in E. coli. This process involved the transfer of DNA through a direct link between the bacterial cell. In E. coli, this conduit between cells took the form of proteinous tube known as a pilus. The ability of the cell to construct the pilus and the pass DNA through it was encoded on a large plasmid known as the F factor, or F denoted means fertility. In most cases, the act of conjugation involved transfer of the plasmid alone, which become established in the recipient cell, thereby converting it from an F negative to F positive phenotype. In some cases, however, the F plasmid could integrate into the bacterial chromosome, and conjugation could result in the transfer of chromosomal genes. This process, which was used to construct the first genetic map of E. coli, was termed sexduction. तो यहाँ पर हमने अलग अलग टर्म देखी जीन ट्रांसफ़र की. जो सबसे पहले टर्म आई ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, जो कि ग्रिफिथ के द्वारा दी गई. सेकंड कॉन्जुगेशन की टर्म जो है लेडरबर्ग एंड टाटम के द्वारा दी गई. देन ट्रांसडक्शन. Next, then in 1951, transduction, a new type of gene transfer mediated by bacteriophage, was discovered by Joshua Lederberg and Norton Ginder in Salmonella. Next, they found that newly formed phage could occasionally package some of the host cell's DNA and then transfer it to a second host cell in subsequent infections. Two forms of transduction were identified: generalized and specialized transduction. In generalized transduction, the phage head was mistakenly stuffed completely with host cell DNA, whereas in specialized transduction, the phage genome integrate into the बैक्टीरियल क्रोमोसोम. जो सेकेंड फेज है स्पेशलाइजेशन वाली, स्पेशलाइज्ड ट्रांसडक्शन, इसमें क्या होता है, बैक्टीरियल क्रोमोसोम में जो फेज जीनोम होता है वह इंटीग्रेट करता है and become linked to host DNA. The fourth mechanism of gene transfer in bacteria is mediated by complete cell fusion and occur in several genera of bacteria including Bacillus and Streptomyces. Under natural animal host and under natural condition, the viral capsid is needed to introduce the oncogene means cancerous gene and the rest of the gene into an animal host cell. The unusual process of gene transfer without the viral capsid was named transfection to distinguish it from normal infection. In bacterial genetics, the term transformation continued to be used to describe the uptake of naked plasmid or genomic DNA, essentially any DNA which had the potential to transform the phenotype of plasmid and genomic DNA, essentially any DNA which had the potential to transfer the phenotype of the recipient cell, while transfection was used specifically to describe the uptake of naked phase DNA or RNA, that is nucleic acid, which had the potential to initiate a phase replication cycle. The term transfection becomes generally accepted to mean the introduction of any sort of DNA, phage, plasmid, genomics, or otherwise into an animal cell in the absence of biological vector. Here, different gene transfer techniques, जो यहाँ पर विभिन्न प्रकार की जीन ट्रांसफ़र टेक्निक दे रखी है, तो यहाँ उसी की बात कर लेते हैं। देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ ट्रांसफेक्शन, ट्रांजिएंट एंड स्टेबल। ट्रांजिएंट एंड स्टेबल, इस दो प्रकार की टेक्निक है ट्रांसफेक्शन की। तो ट्रांजिएंट ट्रांसफेक्शन में क्या होता है, इन ट्रांजिएंट ट्रांसफेक्शन द ट्रांसफेक्टेड डीएनए इज नॉन इंटीग्रेट इनटू होस्ट क्रोमोसोम, मीन्स जो होस्ट का क्रोमोसोम होता है उसमें जो हमने ट्रांसफेक्ट किया है डीएनए वह इंटीग्रेट नहीं करता है। डीएनए इज ट्रांसफर्ड इनटू ए रिसिपिएंट सेल इन ऑर्डर टू ऑब्टेन ए टेम्पोरेरी but high level of expression of the target gene. Stable transfection is also called permanent transfection. By the stable transfection, the transferred DNA is integrated or inserted into chromosome DNA and genetic of recipient cell is permanent changed. Next, regardless of the delivery method, gene transfer into animal cell must accomplish three distinct goals. First is the exogenous and genetic must be transported across the cell membrane. In physical transfection method, transport across the membrane is achieved by direct transfer where the membrane is breached during delivery through which DNA or RNA can diffuse. In other delivery method, the nucleic acid must form some sort of complex which bind to the cell surface before internalization. For example, in chemical transfection method, the complex is transferred between nucleic acid and synthetic compound, while in transduction method, the complex comprises nucleic acid packaged inside a viral capsid. Next, once across the cell membrane, the genetic material must be released in the cell and transported to its site of expression or activity. Again, the nucleic acid is passive at this stage. In most transfection method, DNA or RNA complex are deposited in the cytoplasm following escape from the endosomal vesicle. DNA must be transported to the nucleus while RNA can function directly in the cytoplasm. In methods such as particles bombardment and microinjection, it is possible to deliver DNA directly into the nucleus, so intrinsic transport pathway are not required.